my name is Eirinn Sutherland. I've been with One Spa World now since 2009, and I'm the Senior Director of Operations for all of our international brands. I started in 2009. I started as a massage therapist once I'd finished all my qualifications, of course. And then I embarked on my first contract as a massage therapist on a 9-month journey. I was so scared. It was such an experience. I'd never been on a flight before in my life. So I flew over to Port Canaveral in Florida and embarked on this experience, which was just phenomenal. I met so many different people. I treated so many different clients. And after that, I got a taste of something that was wonderful. So I repeated 3 different contracts as a massage therapist. And then I was recognized and I moved into spa manager. And all of my focus then moved from working with my teams from what I was doing before, which was obviously on myself and my clients. And I was managing teams from like 25 to 35 people. So focusing on them, helping them grow, and really just channeling them into the right way from their training to be able to use that training on board. And then after that, I actually got recognized for a role which was operations and sales and revenue, traveling ship to ship, helping teams with their training, with understanding how to do protocols, put it into practice, and just to really help them grow as well and become more comfortable in what they're doing. But yeah, my journey has been huge and I wouldn't regret it for anything. It's honestly been life-changing. VTCT skills have been a huge part of my journey, right from the very beginning. So it helped me on my journey with the practical side of things, with also the theory as well and the studying, but also just having the groundwork that I needed to grow in my role. So when I came on board and I was a massage therapist, yeah, it was daunting, but I knew I had had the training in advance already. So from the treatments, the protocols, the way to greet a guest, even from the reception desk, how you talk to them, how you greet them, and you've got all different cultures as well. So just making sure that you are really prepared and that you understand what you're doing and that you've got that framework to build upon as well for the rest of your career. Regulated training is so important, and just making sure that when you are employing someone from that aspect as well, we have to make sure that they've received the skills and the knowledge that they can give the best possible treatments. Having VTCT skills under their CV, we know that they've had that training and that they will be able to perform to the highest standards on board. Our guests have saved a lot of money to come on board and go on their cruise and have the most beautiful treatments. We want that 5-star experience given to them. And having VTCT skills in advance, we know that they've had that training. So it is super recognized across the globe, and especially with One Spa World. So yeah, working for a global brand, it's been a whole different world. I mean, you know, you meet so many different diverse cultures, you work with so many different people, and having those skills as well from VTCT skills has made sure that you're prepared for it too. And working with London Wellness Academy is like the next level up as well. To create that finesse when you're doing your treatments, the little extra touches as well, and just making sure that you're super prepared when you embark on your journey. VTCT skills, honestly, having that made sure that I was prepared to embark on my first journey. And it's not all rainbows and butterflies. It's hard work being on board. You go on board, you need to understand how to greet your guests, you need to be able to stand at the reception desk, be able to do public speaking, provide seminars and talks. VTCT skills really gave me that head start, so I knew what I was doing. Although I could have done with a little bit more confidence, but you build that as you go, and that's okay. But honestly, going on board and then doing your treatments, you know, you look out the window, you'll see a whale. Like, it's a completely different world. All right, but again, at the same time, it is hard work as well. So from your day-to-day, it is a dream job. So also it helps you with your recommendation, your consultation, the way that you talk to your guests as well. When you do your protocol, and even the style that you do your treatments in as well, making sure that you have that knowledge in advance so you can give the best possible treatment. When you're on board and you're on a cruise ship, the days just roll past you, and 9 months can feel like a couple of months. But when you're working 10 to 12 hours a day, back-to-back guests as well, your experience speeds up. So once you've done one contract, you are recognised everywhere on your CV for having your VTCT skills, but also working with One Spa World as well. You are on the next level, and you will be globally recognised around the world. It takes a certain type of person to really grow in this role. It's not for everyone, but a lot of people thrive, and you never know where it's going to take you. And honestly, if you don't have butterflies, then you're not growing. Working for VTCT Skills, honestly, it's like another family under the hat. We know who we're working with. We know they've had the experience as well. And they also train the staff that get sent to us in a way that we know that they're really going to progress on board.
Hi, my name's Jodie Jones and I am Key Account Manager for Hair and Beauty at VTCT Skills. I'm here today with London Wellness Academy and One Spa World to explain the relationship and really just embrace the relationship we currently have. We work very closely with London Wellness Academy. It's one of our passions to make sure that we have relationships and connections for the learner to have that direct line of sight to a job. So, at London Wellness Academy, they recruit for One Spa World, and that is your global passport to working all over the world. So the relationship that we have with London Wellness Academy is extremely unique, and the reason being is because we make sure that we communicate with London Wellness Academy to understand their needs ultimately for the requirements of their candidates. Working on a cruise ship is a very unique experience, and your regulated qualification is the first step, really. There's a lot more that is needed from you to work and to be confident and comfortable working on board. So we work with London Wellness Academy to understand the criteria they require on interview, and if there's ever any ways that we can suggest additional qualifications for learners to take, not just with their technical skill, but also things like retail, consultation, business acumen and understanding. Because by the time you come on board, it's not just your skill and trade that you've acquired and you've learned at level 2 and 3. It's also the full round understanding and confidence, I suppose, in being able to perform and meet all of that criteria. So having your regulated qualification is the fundamental. Having your VTCT skills as part of that is just this high standard and gold standard for quality, really. Our relationships with London Wellness Academy, that's what they're looking for. They're looking for the VTCT skills logo, they're looking for the level 2 and 3 regulated qualifications, but they're also looking for your real drive and motivation and commitment to giving the highest level of service and commitment for yourself. The big part of my job at VTCT Skills is to look after relationships with my customers, so my clients. I still call them clients to this day. So these are my centres, these are my training providers, and my clients still really are the learner, really, once removed almost, but still making sure that the learner, the tutor and the centre has got everything that they need. And I'm a hairdresser by trade. I did my apprenticeship 100 years ago, and my career actually took me to working on cruise ships once upon a time. So having lived that experience myself then creates a beautiful partnership with London Wellness Academy as well, because I can see from, a really holistic view the requirements for each part, and I hope to be able to make sure that my training providers have all the knowledge that they can pass on to their learners, really understanding the requirements of working on a cruise ship, because it's a dream for so many people to go and explore the world and achieve their personal goals by working on board, but also for my relationship with London Wellness Academy to make sure that they can openly and transparently communicate the needs that they have for their candidates that are interviewing for a job on board in the spa. It's been so wonderful to be here today. it's really nostalgic actually to walk around. We were talking earlier about the smell, the sounds, you know, all those things come flooding back, and this is such a luxurious spa. We're here on the Britannia, and there's not a spot out of place. It's absolutely beautiful. Equally, it's so inspiring to meet everybody in the spa team today. You know, we were saying before that having lived the life that they're living currently, you have such a level of respect for them. You know how hard they're working, but equally you can see their eyes are just full of excitement for the places they're just about to go. They're on a 21-day cruise, and they're going to see so much of the world in this 21 days, and they're achieving it by doing what they love. And that is just the most magical thing to be able to do, is to have your skill. You know, your two hands ultimately are taking you all over the world. You're meeting some of the most amazing people, relationships you'll never ever forget, you know, making memories that will serve your whole lifetime. So it's something that whenever I talk about, I just get absolute goosebumps, and I would strongly recommend anyone to consider a life on board. You will come back a better version of yourself and ready to take on whatever is next once you decide to come back to land. So yeah, it's a real pleasure to be here.